Hello folks, good morning. Today I come up with a very new approach of your learning of the whole productive thing that you are doing. Just a small addition in your workflow, but anyways, let's just focus on what that is. This is not a paid promotion. If they sponsor me, that's really good. But anyways, there is a product which is NoteTaker by Wispr Flow, and that is really awesome. You can actually use it if you have a pro or whatever. So let's just basically understand how that works. This works for first if you are learning a concept, if you are getting on a call, like the informal call in WhatsApp or whatever in Telegram. If you are getting into a meeting, right? So this can help you and can basically give you a little more edge. So we are using NoteTaker Wispr Flow, and how you will be using. I am I have opened this video of Arpit Bhayani, the system design concept, and let's basically understand how that works. And I'll be simply playing for 30 to 45 seconds, and he will be giving me some of the things, and we will be learning. Okay, so and I will be actively speaking about it, pausing it and actively speaking about it. Let's see how Wispr Flow will help us. Okay, so in this very short duration, I don't know how that works, but anyways, let's see. So this is the thing. You just have to open a new note, right? And yeah,
right next to you. You are building microservice for them. It's a pure engineering solution that you are trying to build. Then it could be just a library that everyone else was struggling with, and you thought of building it. For example, building your own web, basically building your own web framework could be just a library that you are building it to make your overall HTTP request response very smooth, right? Or it could be an actual physical hardware that you are shipping, where you were given a product requirement, and the only thing that you could do is actually ship that hardware, that embedded system, to your users or to your customers. Right? Now, when someone says design a system, it could be one or all of these three things. First,
here the system design will basically doesn't mean with designing one system or something like that. System can be something which is we can understand the concept by high level architecture, like logical design and the physical design, right? It doesn't relate with only one aspect of any system. So it could be a microservice, it could be a library, it could be hardware, and from here we understand the very core concept of what is system design. Then I simply close this note and I go with Wispr Flow, and I do what? I will generate the summary. It will take 1 minute, approx 1 minute, and here you can put your notes, right? I believe that the concept of system design, yeah, this is it. So meeting is so this is a summary, and here you can put your own thoughts, right? And here you can put the summary, right? So this is really awesome when you are actively learning and it is actually recording that, and you again go to your own thoughts and see your transcript, and again copy this up. So this is actually a live learning, and I believe that this will help you in all of the aspect. Thank you so much.